everyone, I am Abhipsha Swai and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to walk you through an exciting project, text classification using Distilbot model. Before we start, I would like to give a huge thanks to my college, C.V. Raman Global University, for supporting and encouraging this project as a part of our AI and DS curriculum. A huge shout out to Cranes Varsity and Partha Chatterjee sir for guiding us, which played a huge role in building and deploying this project. So let's get started.
So, what is sentiment analysis? It's a popular task in natural language processing where we determine the emotional tone of a piece of text, typically classifying it as either positive or negative. For this project, I used Distilbot, a lighter and faster version of the BERT model. It gives great performance while being more efficient, which is perfect for real world applications. It can be used in a movie review and spam message detection, where we can detect whether a message or review is positive or negative. First of all, I have loaded the dataset, and the dataset contains text samples which are labeled as either positive or negative based on the sentiment. Then the text is tokenized using Distilbot's tokenizer, which turns the sentences into numerical data and that the model can understand. The Distilbot tokenizer is loaded here, and then it is splitted into training and testing sets, which is padded for uniform input length and prepped for training. This is the output where it is shown the text and also the labels that is done here. Then for the fine and proper training of the model, I created a custom dataset class using PyTorch dataset and wrapped it in data loaders. This allows us to feed mini batches of tokenized text into the model during training and validation, improving the performance and stability. Then for the model, I have used Hugging Face Distilbot for sequence classification model, which is a pre-trained and fine-tuned model used for binary sentiment classification. The training was done using the ADAM-W optimizer and the cross entropy loss. The model gradually learns the differences between positive and negative tone in text over a few epochs. Here, there are 3 epochs, and the final product showed high accuracy on the test set, which was really promising. This is the evaluation report where the accuracy is 0.87 and it is really good. Then the model is saved, and here we loaded and pre-processed the test dataset for testing the model. For the test dataset, here also we use a data loader and then predicted the accuracy and evaluation report for the test set. Here the test accuracy is also 0.87. Now I will give a short demo of what the output will be. Here I will enter a positive one. Then also I will give another one here. The product is absolutely bad. Then I will see if it will detect correctly or not. So here is the output where the first text, which is the movie is really good, is positive, and the second, the product is absolutely bad, is negative. So by this the model predicted it correctly, and I have then saved the train model as pkl file, which will be used further for deployment using Streamlit and pyn grok. So for the deployment I have installed this transformer, Streamlit and pyn grok. Then after this I have created a app.py file where I have loaded the model and the tokenizer. Then also I have styled it a little. Then after this the prediction function is used, which will be used to predict the negative and positive. And then this is the UI for the page, and here we use the code to run the Streamlit. And now I will show a demo to the Streamlit app, which is this one. So now I will enter the text here. The scenery is beautiful. Now let's analyze the sentiment. and as you can see it is a positive sentiment. Now for let's try for a negative one. This is the worst feeling ever. Now let's see, and it analyzed the sentiment as negative. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.